Have you ever heard of Cowboy coffee or been asked to try Cowboy coffee? If you have a cup, a campfire, a kettle, you can make Cowboy coffee. Let's make some Cowboy coffee. The ingredients we'll need is fresh ground coffee and water. We've heard people using a pinch of salt or eggshells around the top of the water if you're making a large batch. But today we're just gonna make a small batch per cup. It doesn't mean that it's right or wrong, but for this tutorial we're gonna do it ground coffee, water, and your cup. Now let's talk about the equipment. If you have a tin can or a $10,000 kettle, just make sure it's clean and campfire safe. You need a heat source, whether it's an electric kettle or the fire, 8 to 10 ounce cup or any drinking apparatus you have. You'll need a 2 tablespoons or 1 or 2 teaspoons. It's easier to do it with 2. Odds are you're in the field, so use what you have on hand. Remember, Cowboy coffee is an art and not a science. So now let's go over the steps to make a single cup of Cowboy coffee. Step 1, get some fresh filtered water, pour it into the cup. Using the cup that you're drinking out of helps measure the amount of water that you need to boil over your heat source. Step 2, take your measured water, pour it into your kettle. Bring it to a boil. Most likely you won't have a thermometer or a digital kettle, so boiling is an easy way to keep track of the temperature. Step 3, once the water's boiling, take the kettle off the heat source and rest for 30 seconds. Step 4, if you have a 2 tablespoons, you can measure it out with your 2 tablespoons. If not, 3 heaping spoonfuls of coffee typically matches 2 tablespoons. Pour it in your 8 to 10 ounce cup. Step 5, grab your water and saturate the coffee grounds. Make sure that you fill it up to the top. You'll notice bubbles, those are degassing. Let this sit for 4 minutes. One of the best parts to make Cowboy coffee is the dry and wet aroma. This stage is dry aroma, this stage is wet aroma. After 4 minutes, go ahead and cut through and get your nose down there and smell the aroma. Honestly, this is my favorite part. It's so easy to go up to a drive-thru and buy a cup of coffee, but you're losing the experience of this. The smell and the taste and the experience. It's nothing like you'll find in a drive-thru. After breaking through the crust, take your 2 spoons, put them back to back. Go around the edge of the top of the cup. Come together and throw this aside. You can do it with 1 spoon. It's just a lot harder to try to control and get the coffee grounds. Nothing bad will happen. You might get a couple pieces stuck in your teeth, but other than that, you're out in the woods, go grab a toothpick. Step 8, cheers. Now that you know how easy it is to make Cowboy coffee, you can make it at home, camping, at a friend's house. If you get stuck, remember you can always reach out to Cherry Blend Coffee Roasters. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.